Hello guys and welcome back to Food by Janvi. So today we are at 18 Commune, which is Virat Kohli's restaurant, to try their Nom Nom menu, which has all the Chinese food Szechuan style up, as you can see here. So I have ordered wontons, their spring rolls and noodles, chopsy and a lot more. तो चलते हैं रिव्यू की तरफ और मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि मुझे सबसे अच्छा क्या लगा एंड व्हाट यू शुड ट्राई फ्रॉम दिस मेन्यू. चलो. So this is their cheese burst spring roll. You can see the size, and I just tasted. It was really cheesy. The overall coating, it's covered in some peri peri masala, and which is giving such a nice spice kick. And it's served with the chili oil. No, it's a sweet and a spicy sauce, and then we have this chipotle. So yeah, this is really good. I really like it. This is like a solid 9 on 10. But my favorite things were, this is the chow bowl. So it basically has our favorite, ramen. And then you have egg and chicken ka pura fried wala version. This, let me try it again because it's literally so good. The noodles are perfectly cooked, not at all soggy. There is something in this which is making me eat it more. This is literally 11 on 10. You get the chili crisp, you get that umami-ness of, egg and chicken, and then both of them come with the noodles. So good. Such में बहुत अच्छा है. From the Nom Nom menu, I really like it. And the other thing that I really like is this Szechuan crispy chicken, Szechuan pepper. So it's very crispy. And the chicken inside, it's very tender and it has the perfect spice kick to it. इसके ऊपर है ना, we have garlic and even our lal mirch Indian mali. Really nice. मज़ा आ गया ये, और ये खा के मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. And then we had this crispy samosa. It looks so cute. मैंने अभी खाया, so it's filled with Hakka noodles. हाका नूडल्स और देसी चाउमीन, थोड़ा वैसा फ्लेवर है इसमें, सोया सॉस, विनेगर एंड दैट. तो इट्स सर्व विद चिली ऑयल एंड द पीनट सॉस दैट वी गेट फ्रॉम विद आवर मोमोज जो हम नेपाली वाले मंगाते हैं ना. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी क्रिस्पी. ऑल्दो दिस गेट्स अनदर 9 on 10. द चिकन मेन्यू इज रियली गुड. एंड नाउ वी हैड दिस chopsy which is served like this. So in this we have the chopsy ka pura soup and this is the fried noodles. और ये बहुत फ्रेश है. नूडल्स ऐसा नहीं है कि सॉगी हो गए हैं, स्टिल वेरी क्रिस्पी. मतलब हमने शूट किया उसके बाद यूजुअली जो भी ऐसा क्रिस्पी खाना होता है वो सॉगी हो जाता है, बट दिस इज स्टिल क्रिस्पी. एंड द सॉस इज रियली गुड. सॉस और द सूप, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी डार्क फॉर अ सूप, बट ओवरऑल इट्स गिविंग रियली नाइस टेस्ट. एंड this is their some dragon fries. It's very similar to chili potato, served with papad, and this is still very crispy. वरना हमारे हरी चिली पोटैटो वाले लोग बिल्कुल ही सॉगी कर देते हैं. It's very crispy. I don't know if you can hear this. I don't think so you can hear this, but it's very crispy. Perfect on the chili and the honey scale. Really nice. But the chicken menu beats everything. This is Rosini, Bellini ka chota bhai. And the presentation is really good. I like how they have done the glass thing. Cheers. So you get that sparkling jo taste aa raha na, it's really good, coming on with the fruity flavors. Really nice drink. But जब मैंने पहले टेस्ट करी तो मुझे रील के लिए ये बहुत अच्छी लगी. It has, look at it, it's so pretty. Victoria Blossom, and then this, they had some flower का, I think इतर था या फिर some kind of a perfume which is edible. So वो था, स्प्रे कर रखा है इस पर, और पूरा उसमें वैसी ही स्मेल आ रही है. Very flowery, very chamomile type. The taste is also really good. But ginger ale का flavor बहुत तेज़ आ रहा है इसमें. I cannot taste anything else except ginger ale. So yeah, but I like it. This is a spill the juice drink. It has cucumber का एक और बाहर का स्लाइस एंड स्मेल से भी यू कैन वेरी फील द कुकुम्बर फ्लेवर, बहुत तेज apparently. Yeah, I can only taste cucumber in this. I cannot taste anything else. पता नहीं किस चीज़ का कलर इतना सुंदर है, but it's only cucumber. I don't taste anything, but it's good that you cannot taste anything, right? दोनों में flowery and cucumber flavors. Nice. The glass is also really nice. पता नहीं मुझे utensils से कितना प्यार है. Then next we have white saffron tea है ये. So you can see the color. बहुत ही तेज फ्लेवर है saffron का, and it's giving that bitter taste in it. I don't like that. This is vanilla custard. It's so jiggly. It's so creamy and not at all jelly like. You can taste the vanilla, you can taste that custardy thing, and then उसके नीचे जो इन्होंने it's like when you soak a lot of fruits in sugar, उसके बाद जो उनका जूस निकला है ना, it's that. बहुत अच्छा है. It's really nice, like a perfect dessert, fruity, creamy, vanilla-y, custardy, सब कुछ है. Then we have this matcha ice cream. Nice. I cannot taste matcha, इतना ज़्यादा इसमें. Yeah. The matcha is not less. I don't know why the green color is so ambient, but the ice cream is good. I like it. So it was a really nice experience at 18 Commune. We loved the drinks, the food, and the ambience along with the serving. Nice. Shout out to Siddharth. He actually made me do a Google review at the end. So yeah, everything was good. I think I would definitely come here for the Chinese, the Nom Nom menu. And this video was just dedicated to Nom Nom menu. If you want कि हम 18 Commune का menu review करें, otherwise this, so comments में ज़रूर बताना और मिलते हैं अगले vlog में. Bye bye.